Friday, and I'm gonna do some oxtail. There's two things that I really love, and it's my favorite, is oxtail, seafood, and lobster. So today I'm gonna do some oxtail. I got all my seasoning that I'm gonna use here. I'm gonna call these out right now. I got the pimento seed. I got these people here, Maggi. I have right here my meat seasoning, jerk seasoning, garlic powder, butter bean, and this is my little secret. I call it Worcestershire sauce. That's what everybody call it different. But also got my green seasoning in the background. And I have my oxtail over here. So watch what's going down. Okay, I got some browning that I just put on the oxtail. And this is the browning that I'm using. Spur Tree. They have pretty good, they have a good brand of browning. So, got the browning in there. Put some natural seasoning or onion. I got my thyme. Got my green peppers. Also gonna put some ginger inside. Carrots. Irish potatoes. The reason why I cut the Irish potatoes so small, I cut some in chunks and I cut some in small because the Irish potato, when it melts out, it also can give you a nice gravy. Okay? I'm gonna put some of these people's things in on it. I don't like advertising, being honest. Too much young YouTubers in Jamaica using their product and they're not sponsoring them. Pimento seed. Garlic powder. My little secret here. This sauce right here, it's gonna give it the beefy, stewy taste. Right here, I'm gonna put some jerk seasoning. Now, this is the meat seasoning. Most important part right here. Rub it in. I'm gonna let this sit for about 20 minutes. After I let it sit, I'm gonna pressure it, so I'm gonna put it in the pressure cooker, and after 20 minutes, hey guys, I'm gonna let you guys see pressure cooker. I let it sit for about 20 minutes. Let that seasoning soak in. Now it's in the pressure cooker. I'm gonna get ready to start the pressure cooker. And also, you know, the butter beans are in cans, so what I'm gonna do is, when the meat is almost done, or close to done, that's when I'm gonna cut it and put the butter bean in. So stay tuned. Okay guys, this has been in the pressure cooker for 20 minutes now. See all the juice that it created? Need a little bit more. But right now, I'm gonna put in my broad bean, butter bean, or baked bean. Well, butter bean, butter bean. So I'm doing this thing live for you guys. So I cut the bean. I like to cut the bean. I can cut it. I don't like the juice that's inside of it. So I wash it off. So right now I'm cutting the bean. Wash out. I don't like the juice that's inside. I'm gonna be real with you guys. That juice, I don't know what kind of juice it is. So what I do is I wash it. I pour it out, and I put water in it and I wash it out. I'm pouring it out again. Because all I want is just the beans. So here we go. Just the beans I want. I don't want all that stuff that juice and all the stuff that the bean that's stored in it. Ooh, that's good. I'm gonna put this on again for another 20 minutes, and after this is done, I'm gonna show you the result. Stay tuned. Today I got a little surprise. I'm gonna put some dumplings in here. I'm gonna cook that. I don't like my dumplings now. I like them too thick. Three more to go. So this dumpling we're gonna put down inside the oxtail juice. You know this is supposed to be good, right? Don't worry, they're not too big and they're not too small. Turn this, get them underneath, inside the juice. Cover them up nice. There you go. And like I said, I'm gonna cook this for 20 minutes. Stay tuned. You're gonna see what's going on after 20 minutes. Alright guys, time is up. This is done. Right now, you see? Hold on. I want to show you something. See? You see how the juice is nice and thick? Most of the potatoes is boiled out. Okay. Look. This thing is cooked so well it came off the bone. Yeah, that's how oxtail is supposed to cook. Now, stay tuned, and you're gonna see what's gonna go down with this oxtail and what it's gonna go with. So stay tuned and you'll see what's going on. Okay guys, this is my finished product. Oxtail and dumpling. As you can see, I cut the dumplings up. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you on the next video.
Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe to AG Born Jamaican.
Hey guys, remember, like, comment, and subscribe to AG Born Jamaican on YouTube.